morning, glass people. So this is going to be the project for today. I got myself the machine. It's going to help us organize some of the soil back here. So we're going to use the Bobcat to just level the soil out and then bring in some of the gravel. Okay, so we've done a lot of the leveling out. There's still a little bit more to do. Well, actually there's a lot more to do. And anyway, it's been fun driving this. It's been a while. I'm a little rusty. So we're almost ready to start laying down some of the gravel in the back here. Okay, so here we are, day 2 with the machine. We've leveled off, well, pretty good the backyard here, where we're going to store everything. Now we're going to start loading it up with gravel and laying the black fabric to prevent weeds growing. Well, we made short work of that. What do you think?
I think a good day's job.
Yeah. Well, it was fun working with you.
Yeah.
You
Thank God we didn't fight.
We never do. And you worked like a machine.
Sure did.
Rake, 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 rake. And then there was Taya. She was such good help too. Hey Audrey, come, I want to show you this big toad. It's massive. Eh? It was hiding under one of the concrete blocks. Got it on camera there? Oh yeah, there we go. Good. Come here, guy. Come here. Look at it. Alright, we'll put him in a safe spot, okay?